Oh, okay. Oh my God.
Wow.
Hop in the whip, you know it's time. Yeah, little shawty, show me how you ride.
What is up, guys? Listen, today is a very special day because we're actually going to be installing our Eibach lowering springs today, which is sick. Of course, I'm not doing it by myself because I'm not too mechanically inclined when it comes on to car work. I mean, I could do it myself. I do have the spring compressors, but I don't have a jack. And my boy Philip, the owner of that beautiful BK2 3.8, will be helping me and assisting me in the installation of the lowering springs. Oh, there he is. Would you look at that? That's Philip right there. Hey, Philip. Hey, bro. Damn. That's one muscular ass woman. I'm messing with this gym though, man. Like having a home gym, like right there in your garage. Couldn't be better. Wouldn't have to leave the house to make these gains. So take a look at the stock ride height right here. This is what we're looking at right now. In the front, it's a little bit lower than, like, you know, OEM, I believe. But in the rear is kind of where you have that big wheel gap. Trying to get like my boy Philip over there and get us on some low ride height, you know, so we could be low riders together. Me and Jenny gang. Is this Hobson, Philip?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, bro. So sweet. So sick.
Do you have like a quad whatever?
The quad whatever. Oh, the one that's like a plus sign?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, unfortunately. And I don't
Stick with this.
I don't have one of those, so we're just gonna have to wing it, bro. I might have some sockets that oh, okay. Oh my God.
Wow.
Did it just break?
Like a cheap piece of shit.
Dude, no. Because of the broken knob on my freaking wheel, but also how tight my nuts are on them, which
See, I blame your nuts.
yeah, I got some really tight nuts, y'all. We're headed to AutoZone or Lowe's or something. Lowe's.
I don't know if Autos is gonna have what we need.
We need to get an impact wrench so we can pull them bitches off. But we are currently in a BK2 3.8 manual transmission, so you know it's fucking awesome, man. People love to hate on me because I have an automatic, Philip.
Manual swap.
Don't think that will ever happen, bro. I can't even drive stick.
That's what you learn. I could barely drive this shit when I test drove it. I sold out probably like 6 or 7 times. And now look at me.
Hey, just a pro driving in flip-flops.
Would not recommend.
Yeah, no. Don't do that. Or, you know, you could always just get an automatic and it wouldn't really be a problem. Love it. Daylight savings is totally kicking our ass, but after about an hour of dilly-dallying in Lowe's and trying to figure out what the fuck to get, we're on the way back with our impact drill, our drill bits, our wrenches, our impact wrenches, and we're gonna tackle this thing, man. We're gonna get it done. We're not gonna take no for an answer. Well, that was easy. I mean, Philip just got a little carried away the first time. So yeah, right now we still just need to get that off. Yeah, we still need to get that one off. So that's what we're working on right now. Well, if you can't tell, this lug nut stud is a lot shorter than everything else because, you know, we had some mishaps happen with this and you know, that kind of stuff. Anyways, there's a way we can replace these, so we're not too worried about it, but we still need to just get these off and basically replace these springs. So that's what we're gonna do. After much worry, we have gotten the first strut off of the right side. And now we have our spring clamps. So basically we're just running into, on the other side, this little nut just doesn't want to come out. So we got some blaster thingamabob so it breaks the rust quicker. I know, dude, I need to up my car knowledge, but yeah, we just need to get that out. It's pretty loose, but we just need it to come out, and then we'll switch out these springs. But right now, we're doing these 17. That should be like literally right by us. Lowering spring complete on the front right passenger side. Only 3 more to go.
The last thing you're gonna want to do.
Isn't this fun, Philip?
Fantastic.
Oh my goodness, I'm loving it, bro. Got here at 2. It is currently 6 o'clock and we're almost finished with the front. Because of course, you know, we had that little mishap earlier where the stud for the brakes is like fucked up. We are going to just throw on the rear springs because, you know, it's quicker. And then we'll do that last. So yeah, we're gonna knock it out though, man. We're making progress. We didn't think we'd get this far, but damn it, we made it. Philip, come on, bro. What do you think, buddy?
I'm fucking tired.
Me too. But you know what? Philip's a real one, man. I wouldn't have been able to do this shit on my own, that's for sure. You know, and I didn't want to drop $250 at a shop, so we're knocking it out. We
Said we dropped $350 on tools
that we can use for basically anything else that we want to get done. So
yeah, no, it's important.
yep, we're knocking it out. Update. So here's where we left off yesterday. Basically, people, the lug nut stud busted. You saw that. We got the 2 on the front changed, lowering springs wise. We got those switched out. On the driver side, it was a little bit higher than it was on the passenger side. So I had to take it to a shop, and we also couldn't get the rear done. And this is why, for certain things, you know, you want to bring it to a shop to make them get that shit situated. Okay, you want to do that on the more complicated things, because if you mess up, it can end up costing you a lot more in the long run. Okay, that's why there's a saying called you get what you pay for. All right. Anywho, you know, it was just something that we figured we'd try ourselves because Philip had done his own coils, like I said before. But you know, on my Jenny, which is also 10-11 years old and rusty as hell, it's a little bit different. So it's at the shop right now, and we'll pick it up by the end of the day. And you know, we're gonna get these lowering springs on, guys. We're gonna get them on, and we'll see how it looks from then. Right now I'm in the Focus, which I haven't driven for a long time, bro. Oh my goodness. So we're just we're showing the Focus some love today. We're showing it some love. And if you look behind me, then you'll see the Jenny that is now lowered on Eibach lowering springs. Let's take a closer look. So we got the Eibach springs on, finally sitting lower now. Jenny looking cleaner, Jenny looking prettier. You know, not super stancy, not super duper low, which is not what I was going for, but low enough to be like, you know, in an area of like, oh wow, you know, like that shit looks sexy. You know what I'm saying? So I really do enjoy that as compared to where it was before. You know, so I'm loving it, man. Like I really am. So that's it, people. That is it. Side note, also turns out, and I didn't figure this out until I got the springs off in the front and got home, but I had Eibach springs in the front already when I bought this car. Also, big shout out to Old School Automotive for hooking it up for me for a reasonable price. They were able to check all the lowering springs that we installed, the 2 in the front, make sure that everything was good, and then of course, you know, install the ones in the rear, and then also fix the lug nut stud that we had destroyed the day prior. So big shout out to Old School Automotive. Like I said, turns out one of the main guys who was working there actually watched some of my videos, so That made me happy. That made my day. And I got my springs installed. Y'all, look at this F-Type. And I just met like the wonderful owner too. He's about to start it up for us. Give us a little cold start. Oh, dude, that is so sick. I love the blue and the black. That's clean, brother. That's clean. Look at that, bro. So clean. So clean. Stitched by Slick. You know they did the interior designs too, man. Oh my goodness, bro. Watch it, watch it. Gone. Gone. But yeah, man, so it's lowered. I'm loving it, people. Like, I love it now. I love it now. I know I'm still like over here talking about it, walking around and whatnot, but I'm just glad we're able to get it done. Yesterday was pretty crazy, but shout out to my boy Philip for sticking through it, helping me with it, helping me with just like everything, bro. Like, you know, it's good to have friends that will stick by you and help you work on your car, especially when you don't know shit about it. So that's cool. But let's get a little cold start out of this and get the hell on out of here. That was definitely probably more of a warm start, but be sure to follow the car build on Instagram at Sazagen, of course, so you can stay informed and follow the build. But yo, we're gonna wrap it up right here. So you already know, peace, love, sleep, and grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one, because Osaze, I vlog.
Baby, the way you throw it back, I be losing control. Baby, I see a future together, maybe I'll talk. Rumors crazy, they saying we won't make it to tomorrow. Baby, got your hair in my life.